I'm making some queso fundido. Whoa! On the Blackstone. Add a little bacon grease to the griddle. Some green chili, poblano, a couple jalapenos. It is a hot one out today. All right, well, these are going to char. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Took some green onions and cut just the white parts. We're going to saute them. Add some chopped garlic, some cumin, some garlic powder, salt and pepper. We're going to go in and cut these up. Add all the chopped peppers into the mix. Add 1 can evaporated milk. I shredded 3 different cheeses, white American, pepper jack, and Oaxaca. And I add it slowly to the mix. Stir. It's about 2 cups in total. All right, make it whatever consistency you like. I'm gonna thin it out a little. I'm gonna garnish with some cilantro, end of the green onions, chopped tomatoes. You kidding me?